Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start replacing the battery in your HP 250 G8, you'll need a few essential tools: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage. Make sure you have these items ready before you begin. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's critical to avoid any electrical mishaps. If you have sensitive data, consider backing it up just in case. Next, flip your laptop over to access the bottom panel. You will see several screws that need to be removed. Using your Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic prying tool to gently pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around. Be patient, rushing this step can damage the plastic clips that hold the cover in place. After you've successfully removed the back cover, locate the battery. The battery is typically a rectangular component connected to the motherboard by a cable. Take a moment to clear any dust with a soft brush or compressed air, ensuring a clean environment for your new battery. Next, disconnect the battery cable by gently pulling it away from the motherboard. Be cautious and avoid tugging too hard. Now you can unscrew the battery from its compartment. There are usually 2 or 3 screws holding it in place, so make sure to remove those. Once the screws are out, lift the battery out of the laptop. Now it's time to install the new battery. Align it properly in the compartment and secure it with the screws you just removed. Connect the battery cable back to the motherboard until you hear a click, confirming it's firmly in place. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to double-check everything. If you're unsure about doing this yourself or don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If it seems too complicated, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, allowing you to avoid any hassle, no calls, no travel. Now, with the new battery in place, it's time to put the back cover back on. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring the back cover is securely fastened. Finally, flip your laptop back over and power it on. Check if the battery is recognized and charging properly. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair to get expert assistance. With these steps, you've successfully replaced the battery in your HP 250 G8. Thank you for following along, and remember to keep your laptop clean and maintained for optimal performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.